Hey guys, my name is Jillian Knox and I am a food and prop stylist, and this is what's in my basket. First up is this industry hand solve. It smells so good, and it's just, when your hands are in dawn all day long, you need some moisture, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna get this. The Rami Apothecary First Aid Solve, it's also in the same family as the industry hand solve, and I love the size of this. It's like perfect for my apron or my pocket. I can throw it into my kit. When you're pulling stuff out of the oven, you're using knives all day, you're bound to get a little cut or scrape, so just patch it up real quick with this. Black Food by Bryant Terry was an amazing project to be a part of. It's really an anthology of just Black food and just beautiful stories and heritage. A really great part about this book is that I worked with lots of Black artists to create just unique props specifically for this book, like this runner, which is actually made of Cancalan hair that was braided by a mother and daughter duo from a salon in Oakland. They specifically made this for this exact recipe. So I'm just in love with it. And my parents need this book, so I'm going to get it. Okay, so this little knife, I just discovered this through Bernal. Honestly, it's been one of my favorite knives in my kitchen lately. It's just so tiny and perfect. It's great for picnics. It's great for traveling. Really amazing for my kit because I am always like on the road. I'm packing and moving a lot. So it's the perfect size and it's sharp. And I love that there's a little curved edge that I can scoop things out with. And the tricky thing that I didn't realize is that the flat side is actually the blade and not the curved side, which is pretty freaking cool. I absolutely love these aprons from my buddy Ubi at Mi Cocina. The denim is really high quality and it just ages beautifully over time. I love the full length size of this and also that it's a crossback. It's really size inclusive for every single person that I've ever had in my kitchen, and they just fit beautifully and they're super comfortable to wear all day long. And then the straps are really long so I can tuck in a towel. There's lots of pockets. Yeah, it's just super durable, and I always wear these. I absolutely love Mexican food. I spent a lot of time in Mexico City, Oaxaca, and just kind of all over. And my husband is Mexican, and one of the things that I really love to do is make food for him that is from his culture. So I definitely want to make some tortillas for him. I think this will be perfect. A Feather and a Fork was a real joy to work on. I absolutely adore Crystal Wapepa, and it was just really fun making her food, and her food is absolutely delicious and beautiful, and I just absolutely love this book, and my parents also don't have this, so I need to get this for them too. These Mac scissors are really amazing. I love how short and stubby they are, and they can get into all the nooks and crannies of everything that I need to cut. Scissors are a must in my kit. I have many pairs, and I can always use another one, so I'm definitely going to get these. I absolutely love microplanes, and every single shoot there's always a need for some sort of zest or some garnish. This is literally perfect, so I can get 2 different sizes of zest or whatever I need for texture on top of a dish to garnish, and great to travel with, so I'm definitely going to take these. As a prop stylist, I love to dig. I love junkyards. I love going thrifting, and these bargain bins are like, come on, this is so heaven. I absolutely love these old knives. They look great on camera, and they just have that patina that, just gives that real lived in feel. So I'm definitely going to get 2 of these for picture knives. I think they're perfect. So the Diaspora Spice Co. cookbook is just so delightful, and it came out this year, and I'm just really excited to see it on the shelves kind of everywhere, and most importantly here at Bernal. It's just really lovely. This is one of my favorite recipes that we shot. It's the cabbage salad. One, it's just so stunning, the image, but also it was really tasty. This strainer is literally perfect. It's just such a perfect size for my kit. Again, I'm just stocking my kit, okay? I have to separate things. Being a food stylist, you have to separate pepper sometimes. Sometimes you need fine pepper, sometimes you need coarse pepper, or even when you're separating things like breadcrumbs. You really can't get around having a sifter in your kit. Diasporican spices are the absolute goat in the kitchen. Just the freshest spices I think I've ever had in my life. The turmeric turmeric and the black pepper, I go through them like crazy, especially the black pepper. It's the most flavorful black pepper I think I've ever had. And turmeric is just great pretty much for everything. I'm vegan, so it's really great for coloring things and making vegan eggs and scrambles. So definitely gonna get these. I love these silver plate spoons. Absolutely obsessed with spoons. I am a spoon freak, and these are literally perfect. They're vintage and beautiful and just add a little bit of sparkle to your drawer. And when you're tasting different things, you need different sizes. So definitely get these. If you're a stylist and you don't have a spatula in your kit, something's wrong with you. So you definitely need 2 of these. The spoonula is amazing. It just gets in all the little nooks and crannies. You can use it to spread, you can use it to scoop, and then the spatula is obviously a must. They're all one piece. Again, I don't like things that are in multiple pieces unless they're really secured well. GER stands for get it right. So get it right, girl, and get it in your basket. These peelers, I have a million of them and I can never have enough of them. Whenever I'm working in kitchens, they kind of just tend to grow legs and walk away, so I always need to replace them. So I need another one. Braided Heritage was a real joy to work on, and working with Jessica B. Harris was literally a dream come true. And this image was the chapter opener for the Europeans chapter, and using Dr. Harris's vintage heirlooms was like a real special moment for me. I'm just such a vintage nerd, and this was such an amazing image to make. And also this book, there's just so many beautiful recipes that just weave all of American heritage together. It's really spectacular. By now you know that I absolutely love anything vintage, and these vintage forks are so beautiful for picture and camera. I mean, the texture alone, and also these bone handles are just really stunning. And I think my favorite thing is that they look like they belong together, but they are actually totally different forks because they have 2 different tine sizes. So there's one has 3 and the other one has 4. And I love this like plus minus little detail on the handle. It's just really beautiful. At first glance, you think it's an offset. It's actually a palette knife, which is hilarious because most of my kit is mostly palette knives instead of offset spatulas. But I just love the shape of this. I love how flexible it is. And I also love the handle. Just has a little extra vintage feel, and it's just got a lot of character. I love it. It's perfect. I absolutely love wine keys. I just think that they just elevate whatever moment you're in, and you can really impress your friends also when you're just at the ready and you have a beautiful wine key. So this one, I love this handle. It's ram's horn, I think, and I just love how much character it has. Also, the bottle cap opener on the end is pretty great, and then the corkscrew is really sturdy, and then there's also a little blade for when you are taking the foil off of wine and you get a really clean cut, and it's just like the perfect size for my hand. I love this. These little spatulas by Andre Verlier are so cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this, and I love that it's one piece of metal and there's no additional handle on the end, so I can literally throw it in the dishwasher. They can go in my kit, they can roll around in there, and they're the perfect size when I'm needing to place things like sliced tomatoes or separate slices of avocado, garnish things, and doing cheese pulls. I love that the edge of this is also really thin and sharp, so if I need to cut something on the fly, I can totally do that, and they're the perfect size to go into my apron pocket. Great. Edna Lewis is just a constant inspiration, I think, for a lot of people, but she just means a lot to me. The July Food and Wine issue has a feature with Edna Lewis, and I styled it for this month, and so I actually don't have this book, which is kind of wild, and so I think I need to add it to my collection. All right, this Ateco bowl scraper is so amazing because there's so many different sides to this. So you can use it to cut, you can use it to scrape. It's great for scooping up things off your bench or your cutting board, or even just making sure you get all of the bits and goodies out of the bowl. And it's just like really great. Like if you lose it, you can totally just grab another one. This ume syrup is so beautiful. The color is absolutely phenomenal, and I can't wait to try this. I haven't had this one before, but I'm just like a sucker for plums, so I think this will be really beautiful, especially when I'm hosting at my house. A really nice afternoon delight with a little sparkling water, maybe a little lillet and a little lemon. I think it'll be lovely. I am absolutely obsessed with all three of these Gestura little guys. Again, I'm a spoon freak, so I need the regular spoon, which is great for saucing and great for spooning out things. And just also, it looks great on camera. So if I am saucing something on camera, I don't need to change my spoon. So this is like literally perfect. And then the slotted spoon is obviously just comes in clutch for separating things and just having more control over what I'm doing with food. And then the tweezers, I'm absolutely obsessed with these. They're just a little bit more nimble. They're not as stiff as some tweezers that are on the market, and they're a little bit more flexible, and they're also just really sexy looking. These quarter sheet pans are an absolute must for my kit. I use so many of them when I am at work, and from anything from carrying my tools around from one station to another, literally they're just the perfect pan and the perfect size, especially for tiny apartments too. So you can fit them in all the nooks and crannies in whatever storage situation you have, and you got it. Once again, my name is Jillian Knox, and this has been What's in My Basket. It's been a real pleasure to be here in this beautiful place and to pick out all of these lovely things. You can find me on Instagram at JJewels or just walking around the Mission. Come say hi.